Hello everyone, this is Salfia English. I would like to introduce you Japanese traditional art, origami, folding paper. Today, we are going to make this clip box. And today, please choose your favorite patterns, designs, paper. Someone say, could you give me clip? Here you are. Oh, thanks. I'll take one. Sure. Thanks. No problem. So, when you are in office or in your home, you can pass clip easily with this box. And many people admire you, your design sense and interior preference. Hobby? What you like? So, let's make it. Today, no scissor is not required. So let's start. First, bend to half. Open. And bend along to center line. Opposite side is same. And to make this shape, we need several preparation bending line. First, bend to half. To half. And also bend to half with center, along with center line. And still there is a lot of preparation bending line. Look. This bending line. Make little triangle. This preparation line is little tough. However, without this preparation, it is very difficult or challenge to make this shape. So please be patient. After this, open. And use this preparation line. Use this preparation line. This triangle. And bend this line. To bend this line is no way to prepare preparation bending line. So our base is we are relying on this bending line and this bending line and this bending line and this bending line is the key base to make good shape. Spread. Upper side is thanks for preparation bending line is easy. However, bottom line is no preparation. So, please make a line on the table. And also, same. This bending line and this bending line are the key point to make good shape. And spread. Upper triangle has a bending line. However, lower triangle is no preparation bending line. So, please adjust gently. And the last part. Oh, already spent 6 minutes. And next. So spread this. Spread this like this. And also, there is no preparation line. So, please bend gently. First, second, and next, little back. And little back. With these bending lines, we are going to make little tab here, like this, and also like this, and also very difficult. Maybe there's a more better way. However, I am not sure how to do it. And you understand? This shape is very difficult for me too. And next, bent half. Difficult. So, and bend. Almost finished. And next, turn and open. And next, turn and open. open here. And back to this side. And bend half. Here. Little back. This stage, half, bend, turn and spread this tab, and also same on opposite side, and turn back, bend half, and also bend half, and then bend thisと、then spread, pull gently and gently press to make bottom space. I'm very tired. Then we can make this clip box. Okay, pass one clip box, one clip to here. And also to here. Can you see? So I hope you make with your favorite pattern paper. I think such a little stationery goods make a creative, friendly atmosphere in your space. Thank you for watching. You did great job. So please have a confidence. See you.